All right, hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave, and this is Blindman Outdoors. And today, we've got a bit of a build-off challenge on our hands at the moment. You guys will remember last year we built this van in like 2 days, 2 to 3 days from start to finish. We've actually been invited out to a camp at the Kananaskis Rally, where we want to go out and watch the winter rally and all the awesome sports. You know, there's a lot more to the outdoors than just hunting, fishing, and camping. You know, there is rallies, there's off-road travel. We try to bring you guys as much of that as we can on this channel. And so what we want to do is we're going to see if we can remodel our van and boogie out tomorrow morning to meet the folks out there, do a camp, and then on Sunday watch rally stages, screaming through the Rocky Mountains on one of the most, what Lyndon thinks is one of the most epic rally rides and drives that we actually have here in Alberta. We have just reached the time where everything closed, so we can't get any more materials. We can't go out and buy wood, we can't go out and buy hardware, we can't go out and buy anything because everything is closed, and tomorrow morning we have to go. So whatever we do with the interior, we have to be able to do with what we have either in the shop or in the van. So let's go. Welcome to Blindman Outdoors. I'm Dave, and I've been exploring my whole life, from my hometown in the Blindman River Valley to the jungles of South America. 4 years ago, I left an old life behind to chase a passion full-time. Now, I built Canada's Yucatan camper and the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo, all while continuing to explore and experience the great outdoors. You see, I believe we're called to live free and be wild. And if you do too, then this is the place for you. And drawers, and I don't want to have to build a whole bunch. What we're going to do is we're going to go to a thrift store and see if we can find something in there that is can serve as both like a dresser, a drawer, some additional storage and stuff like that. So let's go see what we got. Booyah. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's free. Free is good. Nope. We're back at the shop now, and we got our goodies. So what we made out with for storage solutions, we spent $20, and I got 3 bins like this. I like these. They're solid. They're made out of wood. They can be shelves or whatever you want them to be. And we got a 2-drawer thing. So when I was a kid, I was one of those kids that would rearrange his room all the time. So I think it makes total sense that I'm rearranging my room right now, and that I've gone way overboard more than I thought I was. I was just trying to add a couple drawers. There we go. Now everything in the common area is out, and we've got like maybe a 6x6 space to work with, and not a perfect square either. So drawer, cabinet, bench. We have a bunch of scrap wood. We've got a bunch of scrap metal. Let's see what we can do. Oh my God, somebody stop me. I'm gonna end up pulling this thing apart to the point where I don't want to put it back together. I know it. Can't. I must get it done. Even though I don't know what exactly is gonna come of this. We're going with our gut on this build. That's all we're doing. And we're sticking to our guns. We're not buying anything else. Nothing. No tools, no hardware. We can't. Mainly because it's after dark on a Friday in a small town in Alberta, which means ain't nobody open. Ain't nobody open. This is exactly what happened last time. I thought I was going to change things up. I ripped it all apart. And then it stayed like that for months, so I can't afford to do that this time around, so I'm kind of pot committed. That's the idea anyway. This is your last chance, guys, to stop me. Don't mind me, I'm just destroying the shop. Okay. But like, that's a beauty. That's a beauty lounge space though, right? Like, man. All right, let's keep staring at this. I think I have the solution. I think I know the layout. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna extend the bed up to the, what we're calling the headboard table, okay? That's gonna end at the table, and then it's gonna come down, and we'll have that pass-through storage again. And then we'll continue the bed frame, like the bed top, underneath the table, but no mattress will go under there. And I'll have two cubbies that I can reach in and grab stuff from. So it'll be like a flat space where you can leave your charger, maybe put the all powers in there, and have all that stuff underneath there, and then have a space on top as well. We're gonna go ahead and take some of these 2 baffers and put them on the outer edge like that, so that the new bed panel has a ledge to sit on and won't be wobbly. We should probably also do a couple on this side as well. So I'm gonna screw those in along this edge and along this edge. We'll test fit it. Also have to bring the bed out to here, so like another 18 or so inches all the way across. So once that part's done and that part's done, then we'll come over here and we'll extend the bed this way.
Is a quick hit. This is where the For You page gets posted.
It's midnight. We're not done. We're not almost done though. So we've got the bed frame extended forward. We've got the bunk, the bed bunk, we'll call it, here. And now what I'm doing is I'm going underneath and I'm continuing the boards for the bed to underneath, because that's gonna be a flat storage. Although the mattress is gonna stop here and we'll just have a wide double. Underneath there is gonna be like a bed level just flat surface so you can store stuff in there. And then I'll have a couple cubby holes, like cubby holes at the ends where I can reach down and just stuff stuff down in there. Stuff I'm not going to grab all the time. That's what we're looking like so far, guys. And as you can obviously tell, we haven't bought any new material. We haven't even used, other than the 2x4s that we've got in here for the bed insert. We've just repurposed everything that we took off. I even wanted to keep my fish kickboard here, so we got a tow board here. These will also turn out, eventually become panels that I can access stuff underneath from. And I'll probably run the diesel heater in here and port it out the bottom here. And then we'll tackle this with these guys here. We'll put those in there somehow. And yeah. Whew. All right, guys. We aren't finished because it's late. Between you and me, it is too late. It is now 3 o'clock in the morning and I am tired, so we're gonna go to bed. With the lighting. All right, guys. There we go. Oh, whole new layout. We even got drawers. I got a dresser again. Oh man, I love this. This is great. All right, guys, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, and like that, I woke up super late. I slept in too much, and now I had to boogie right out here, right out to the woods as fast as I could. So now we're out here. Everybody's out here. We're having a really, really good time. Lyndon's got his Subaru out here. His mom's out here. Craig's out here with his cool little 4Runner. And of course, we have the van with the new build out. And we also came out here with the MC Ranch fire reflector. This thing stays in my truck or my van throughout the winter all the damn time. It helps turn an outside space feeling more into an inside space feeling. And honestly, it saves your toes. It can make a small fire feel like a big fire. And ultimately, it just adds to your comfort. And it's going to be available on our website as well, www.blindmanoverland.com. You can go there for more information about the Yucapat camper as well, which we now have the new Safari camper, as everybody knows. But ultimately, guys, you're going to want to check these things out. They really are nifty. Like actually got to use it. I was with Mike from MC Ranch Overland. That's who makes this. And I remember, like, it must have been at least as cold as it was now, but later in the night. And I must have walked up to, like, that first tree there. Like, that one right there. By the time I got to there, I felt a noticeable difference in the area. Like, even right here. Like, standing here, it feels like you're standing there. It's really difficult to explain it to someone until they experience it. And then they're like, oh, yeah.
Well, like, I won't lie.
That's worth it.
Was a gimmick.
Yeah.
It's
Not, man. It's not a gimmick.
Like, it makes sense, but at the same time, it's just.
Yeah, I gotta say, man, I'm stoked on it.
My legs are warm back here.
Yeah.
It's stupid how nice that is.
Yeah, I did some tent though.
No, the other one just had all the shit out there, and nobody there.
All right, guys. Well, it's been an epic night outside by the campfire. Your boy is cooked. We had a late night last night and a relatively early morning for the night that we had. Tomorrow morning, the race cars show up. And I am heckin' stoked to see how that turns out. But that might be the next video. So, thanks for being here. 2, do something cool. And 3, live free and be wild. We'll see you guys in the next one.